Hey guys, Philip Batchelder here with you today to give you an update on the Middle Tennessee market. Let's get into it. Hey guys, what is going on? I am here to talk to you about the Middle Tennessee market, Nashville, the surrounding areas. What are some of those counties? What's going on with them? And what is happening in them right now? Let's first talk about the Davidson County market. As of right now, there are 1,400 homes on the market in Davidson County. In the Williamson County market, there are 843 homes on the market. And in Wilson County, where I live, there are 393 homes on the market as of today. Out of those three counties, guys, Williamson, Wilson, and Davidson, some of the three biggest counties in Middle Tennessee, there are only 2,600 homes on the market. Now, a study that they just came out with said that there's literally 36 families moving to Tennessee on a daily basis. And that only takes 73 days to go through all the homes we've got on the market right now. Well, that is huge, guys, because A, you should be getting the most money for your home still. B, it tells us that there are not a lot of homes on the market. Well, I hear people saying things to me like, why are house prices dropping? The reason why house prices are dropping right now is people think that we're still in a time that we're not in. In 2020, the housing market in Nashville grew by 32%. Things went up exponentially, okay? We're no longer in 2020, okay? But that doesn't matter. You're still gonna get top dollar for your house. What I think needs to happen is we all need to chill out. Like, calm down. Just, if your house doesn't sell in a day, it's okay. I mean, 2 years ago, it was 45 days on the market was the average in Nashville. And I think right now it's somewhere around seven. So if your house is going past 7 days, then we'll talk. But a lot of the houses are going down in price because people aren't getting this crazy offer that they think they're supposed to be getting on day one, which is wave appraisal, wave inspection, wave, cash. If your house doesn't sell, just don't be afraid of that, okay? Again, I think that there's a lot of emotion going into that, and we just need to reel ourselves in, step back, and say, look, okay, we're not in 2020 anymore. We're not in a place where people are flooding out here, but we are in a place where people absolutely still want to live in Tennessee. The jobs are coming here, incomes are going up, home prices are still going up. It is going to grow exponentially downtown. We're gonna have so many things coming. It's gonna be absolutely incredible. That is the market update that we're in right now, and I hope that that sheds light on some things, and I hope it gives you a little bit of peace of mind just to know that we're in a market that's changing, but we're also in a market where you still should be able to capitalize on your money, capitalize on your equity, make that next decision that's gonna get you where you need to be in your house. And again, I really hope that this video helps you. So if it does, please subscribe, like it, hit the notification bell, because we've got more videos to come, and we'll catch you on the next one.